Hi, welcome to a beautiful jungle. I'm Sharon. I'm gardening in Zone 8A. I'm a new YouTube gardener. I'm out in the garden. I have not been out here in a while. Like, it's in the afternoon time and it's kind of hot out here. I've been sick. Um, haven't had much of a chance. So my tomato plants are overgrown. I need to trellis them up. Um, and I haven't even planted out any zucchinis or anything, or squash or watermelon, nothing. I haven't done anything. I've just been sick. I need to fertilize also. So that's what I'm doing here. I already pruned off some of my tomatoes here. So I'm starting with this bed. I have this bed, that bed, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 beds tomatoes that I need to, oh, 5 that I need to prune. So I'm gonna try to make as quick as possible so I can go back inside. You're gonna hear the kids, they're outside playing with a water gun. Let me give you a look at them over there. Yeah, they're out playing with their water guns, having fun. It's a nice hot day. It's a nice hot day. So everyone is out. Yes, baby. No, you need to take those shoes off and put on your shoes for that you play outside with. You're not supposed to have those shoes on. So we live in HOA. Let me see. Yeah, HOA. So I have garden beds, 20 garden beds over where the berries are and tomatoes are, potatoes are. That's my owl you're hearing. You know what's going in your body. My saying is, I want to be the grocery store, not be at the grocery store. That's my saying. And I'm trying to hold true to that. I purchased a book, A Year Without the Grocery Store, that I'm reading. Really good book. I picked it up on Amazon. I first heard about it from Acre Homestead. You should check her out. She has a really good channel. She does freezer meals. She does really good recipes too. I've gotten a lot of recipes off of there that the kids enjoy. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just harvest the cabbage that is here, because it's time. It's time for it to go. I keep saying I should wait another week or so, but I don't think so. I think it's time for it to go. So I'm waiting for my daughter to bring me the basket to put them in. I don't know what's taking her so long. I think she feels today is her birthday, so she shouldn't be working. Okay. Let me get to. These are the cabbage over here. This is one of the beds over here that I'm going to be removing the cabbage from. And I'm just cutting. I'm not pulling it out of the ground. I'm leaving the roots in there to break down. I'm leaving the roots in there to break down, to let the roots break down and give back to the soil. Yeah, look at this. Look at the bugs. Look at the bugs. Yeah, it's time. Way past time. Because it's just, look at it. It's just feasting on my face. Yeah. You have brassicas in your garden, you're gonna attract the white fly. That's just what it is. So it's time for it to go. And I'm gonna do it again in fall, where I guess it'll be less bug pressure. Hopefully, less bug pressure because it's not as hot. But this is more than enough cabbage for myself and to share, for my family and to share also. You have to stay in your garden. I mean, it's unfortunate when you're not feeling well. And I'm going to compost those leaves. And after all this is done, I'm going to give my garden a good drink of water.